Hey guys, today we have this 2016 Dodge Durango RT. We're gonna be doing a oil change and filter on this one. This accept 5W20. Some does 0W20, but we're gonna be doing 5W20 on this, and this is the filter for that. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start with this beautiful Dodge Durango. This one has V8 engine in it. Let's go ahead open the hood. 5.7 liter V8, and it will take about 7 quarts, I believe. There you go, 5.78 cylinder, 7 quarts. So we'll be using at least, because this is 5 quarts, so maybe 1.5 of these. Sometimes might be 2, but we're gonna use almost 2 gallon, 1.5 gallons. All right guys, once we lifted the car up, as you can see, this one said 5W20. They do say sometimes a 0W20 on this one, but we'll be using 5W20. HEMI engine. All right, let's lift the car up and drain the fluid. First, I'm gonna open this cap. It's pretty tight. Make sure this is loosened so we get all the fluid out. Just gonna leave it there and then lift the car up. Right, fluid is up. Everything is secure. All right, once the truck is up, this is the mounting points, lifting points, how to put it right here. That's pretty much kind of like the frame of it. On the front and the back, it has a little post that need to be set there if you want to lift it like this way. And looking underneath, oh, it's a lot of oil leaks. Look at that, oil leaks everywhere. Figure out where's the coming from, but we're just doing oil change right now. From under here, if you're looking, that's the drain, and the filter is up there. So we're gonna drain both of them. All right, let's see what size is that. It looks like a 13 or 12. All right, so this one is a size 13. So you can see size 13 millimeter socket. So let's go ahead and loosen it up. Crack it loose. There you go. Once that loose, let's go ahead, drain this thing. Make sure you're not gonna make a mess. See, it might make us a mess, but I'll back up just a little bit. Make sure it's safe. This is gonna splatter around here for sure. There you go. That is draining, and this can be a lot. It's gonna be 8. So let it drain, and let's go ahead and finish it up with the filter as well. All right, that is almost empty. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna get the filter up. Show you where is it at. While it's still draining a little bit more, we can access that filter up there. This one. There we go. Loosen that one. That's a little bit loose right now, so we're gonna let it drain too. There you go. So we have more fluid coming out there. See that? So you gotta be careful with that too. Get more fluid. more oil coming out. So we're gonna let that drain some more. Then once it's empty, we're gonna go ahead and remove the. All right, I think that's almost out. So let's go ahead, loose it some more. And you might be surprised, sometimes there's more oil coming out, but I'm gonna do it slowly. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. A little bit hot, so be careful. So I might use this rag, the rag that I have. It's a little bit hot, and it might have some more oil coming out. But once it's loosened, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. Like from here, there you go. See that? That's more oil. So I gotta be very careful. So I'm still, oh, it's hot. It's hot. Okay. That's more. I kind of knew it, but I didn't expect that much. But so now that's out, I'm gonna go ahead clean that area, the plugs, and from the filter I'm gonna wipe it out. So some debris, and you know the drill. This one, on the plug itself, it has an old gasket. I just put a new gasket here for that, so it will seal better. So let's go ahead close that out. Let's see. I know there's some more coming out, but that should be okay. I'm gonna close this. These are normally are 30 foot-pounds, 25 to 30 foot-pounds, but I'm not really gonna torque it. I'm just gonna snug tight it, and we should be fine. There you go. That should be good. And then with our filter, of course, we're gonna prime it. We're gonna put some oil here, and we're gonna put oil around the gasket so it will seal good. All right, let's go ahead and put the gasket, the filter in. Make sure it's going smoothly, because do not force it. The threads will line up perfectly on that one. The reason I like this front filter, because you see that rubber grip, you're gonna have a good grip. I can tighten it with my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with brake cleaner real quick to clean it. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the whole thing here because there's an oil leak. We're gonna find out what's the problem on that one, but this time we're just doing oil filter and oil change. Then we're gonna go ahead and hand tighten. Okay, so once we got the everything sealed down underneath, we're gonna go ahead and pour this $5.20 mobile one. We're gonna do at least 1.5 gallons for now. Then we're gonna measure the fluid, the dipstick. We're gonna measure the dipstick. If it's level, we're gonna warm up the car and measure the dipstick. All right, let's go ahead and pour it. All right, so I'm warming up the car. I started the car. I'm gonna run it for like 5 to 10 minutes. While doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and make some stickers. All right, we got a sticker ready. Next to come back is January. So make sure that, put it here. I'm gonna remove this one here. Need this thing. There you go. All right. There you go. All right. So once we're done with warming up the car, just turn it off. Let's put it on run position right there, and then we're gonna use these buttons here. Let's go. There you go. We are on oil life here. Okay, once we in the vehicle info on the oil life, Here, hold the gas pedal down. Hold it. Or, there you go. See that? I actually press it 3 times and then it reset the oil life. That should be it. And let's go ahead and fill up the oil. Check it. All right, so let's go ahead and check the oil level. Let's get a better rag here. This is the oil level here. Make sure it's clean. Make sure the car is level. Let's go ahead, push all the way in. And if you look, it's actually not too bad. It's on the level. That's good. It's kind of high, but that's fine. We're good on that one. Then we are done. You probably get away with 1 gallon and 1 quart. I put like 7 quart literally, but everything is set. We reset the oil light and we check everything. We clean underneath and we put the stickers. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, don't forget to comment below and like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.